wonder about the role of an exhaust system in your vehicle? The exhaust system ensures toxic fumes stay out of the inside of your car and works to make your engine run correctly. It also helps to give you the best possible fuel efficiency and cuts emissions that pollute the air. The muffler is just one of the components of the system that decreases the sound that the engine makes. That means you will want to ensure the exhaust system is running as quietly as can be. Since 1972, Meineke has been your muffler and exhaust expert. If you suspect an issue with your vehicle's exhaust system or muffler, bring it to a shop near you so we can detect and repair the issue. Let Meineke help so you can get on with life. Meineke, on with life.